Next level.
Hi, I'm Sandra Mason, Director of Public Relations for the Association of Equipment Manufacturers, CONEXPO-CON AGG, and the International Fluid Power Exposition. Welcome to Trade Show PR Tips in 3 minutes or less. Today's tips: how to create a company press kit for CONEXPO-CON AGG and IFPE. Now that you know that what should go in a press kit, it's time to make one. First things first. Number 1. Decide on the format for your media kit. When designing a company press kit, you can choose from a variety of formats: downloadable materials in a PDF file or a slide deck, a folder with all the contents uploaded online via cloud services, or digital media kit embedded in your website that provides a more interactive experience. And the best part? Many modern PR tools enable you to do it without any help from your IT team once you are up and running. There's also one more thing that speaks for online media kits: search engine optimization. Search engines are the main source of information and ultimately traffic to your company website. If you choose to store your media kit in a PDF file or a Dropbox folder, it's not going to be indexed by search engines, which makes it more difficult to find and take advantage of. Whatever format you choose, be sure that the media kit is designed in accordance with the look and feel of your brand and can easily be shared with the media. Now, number 2, collect all your resources. When deciding what should go in a press kit, the golden rule is to be sure everything in there serves a purpose, is accurate and up to date. Think the content through and start collecting your press materials, such as company details, images and headshots, bios, fact sheets, press releases, and pretty much anything that would be compelling enough for a journalist who want to cover your story. You can include all the above mentioned elements of a press kit and more. Press materials should always be specific to the company, event, or campaign, and provide enough information so that anyone reading can glean a general understanding of its topic. The specifics of the content, whether a media kit is more visual or wordy, can be determined by the situation. But the usefulness of the information should reign above all. Number 3, choose where to display your media kit. Many companies keep their media kits online as part of their press page, and rightly so. As already mentioned, digital media kits can not only be found in search engines more easily, but also drive additional traffic to your newsroom or company page. Plus, online media kits allow journalists to quickly find what they're looking for without the need to download the files and go through all your assets in order to find a single resource they need. Remember, for CONEXPO-CON AGG and IFPE, we will only allow flash drives or QR codes in the press room. No more paper media kits. If you are taking advantage of the QR code option, the link and your logo should be emailed to Justin no later than late January. If you'd like additional information, or if you'd like to schedule a one-on-one free counseling session about what you can do to make this your best CONEXPO-CON AGG or IFPE ever, send me an email at smason@aem.org. Till next time.